Let's talk about EVMs because that is a related topic and it was there in the news too. तो थोड़ा सा इसका evolution देख लेते हैं. So EVM की बात करते हैं. So it is the electronic voting machine and the main task or the main purpose, objective of bringing this EVM was that we wanted to make the entire electoral process smoother. We wanted the efficiency to be there in the system and that's why EVM, the concept of EVM came into picture. ठीक है, इसी वजह से इसे लेकर आया गया. सो इट वॉज 1980s का पीरियड था. वैसे 2-3 साल पहले उससे 1977 के आसपास दिस task was given to ECIL. ECIL was the company to which this task was given that we want the electoral process to be better. Therefore, you need to create a device so that the electoral process should happen in a fair manner, smoother and in an efficient manner. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या किया गया 1977 के अंदर this EVM device was created and in 1978 this device was presented before multiple politicians, means you can say all the political parties of that time. So 1978 when the prototype was there, the political parties were happy with its performance and that time nobody was talking about hacking because internet was not there and nobody heard of hacking anyway. ठीक है, हम 1978 की बात कर रहे हैं. सो nobody was like bothered with the hacking, nobody was bothered with anything कि कुछ इसमें tampering हो सकती है. But nowadays if you see the moment somebody loses the election, the very first thing that the person does is blame the EVMs. ठीक है, if a person wins then they don't blame then these individuals they don't blame the EVMs, but once they lose they always say it is because of EVM. So यहाँ पर the concept was introduced in 1977 and then the prototype was created in 1978 and then finally it came into picture in 1980. So ECIL was the company and when this prototype was passed, then that time there was another company, Bharat Electronics Limited, जो BEL आपकी है. This company was also attached with ECIL. It was basically said that you need to collaborate and then you need to create these devices. कौन से devices? EVM devices you need to create. इस वजह से इसे लेकर आया गया. अब इसमें क्या होता है? When we talk about EVMs, there are 3 major units in EVM. वो कौन सी हैं? 3 major units की बात करें, so we have the control unit, then we have the ballot unit and then we have the voter verifiable paper audit trail. So when we talk about the control unit, अगर आपने elections में participate किया, means you have voted for person A or person B, so आपने देखा होगा the polling officer, he has a machine, that is the control unit. He presses the button, उसके बाद आप अंदर जा सकते हैं and then you can cast your vote. Now you can say this control unit is basically a piece of, it's basically a device which basically manages the ballot unit. So if you want to press a button in the ballot unit, the permission will be given by this control unit. Now the polling officer, he will press a button, the ballot unit will get activated, then you can enter into the room and you can cast your vote. ठीक है, so control unit is attached with ballot unit and it is managed by the polling officer when he sees, let's say कि यहाँ पर नाम किसका है, विवेक का. So विवेक जो है वो वोट करने के लिए जा रहे हैं. सो दिस पोलिंग ऑफिसर्स विल चेक द पेपर्स, विल चेक योर इलेक्टोरल आईडी एंड वंस दे आर सेटिस्फाइड दे विल गिव यू द परमिशन दैट यू कैन एंटर एंड कास्ट योर वोट. सो दे विल प्रेस द बटन इन द कंट्रोल यूनिट, बैलेट यूनिट विल बी एक्टिवेटेड एंड देन यू कैन प्रेस एनी बटन ऑन द बैलेट यूनिट, यू कैन इवन प्रेस नोटा. ठीक है, ये तो था ओरिजिनल कॉन्सेप्ट. व्हेन इन 19 you can say 80s when this piece of device was introduced, this was the entire purpose. This was basically these 2 devices were there and in combination they were called as EVMs. ठीक है, but as many of the politicians they started losing the elections, they started blaming the EVMs. जैसे बच्चे होते हैं ना कि एग्जाम में फेल हो जाते हैं, so they try to blame the teacher, sometimes they try to blame the syllabus, they say the question paper was difficult, the question paper was out of syllabus. वो कोई ना कोई कारण ढूंढते हैं. ठीक है, the toppers will never find an excuse but the failures will always find an excuse जस्ट टू ब्लेम समबडी एल्स. वो चीज़ यहाँ पर भी होती है. बच्चे जब बड़े हो जाते हैं, जैसे क्लास में ब्लेम करते थे, अब इलेक्टोरल प्रोसेस में ब्लेम करते हैं. सो दे ब्लेम द EVMs, दे डोंट ओन द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. तो जब ये सब चीज़ें हुई उसके बाद इन्होंने क्या किया, जस्ट टू मेक श्योर दैट दीज किड्स, मीन्स दीज बिग किड्स शुड नॉट कंप्लेन, a voter verifiable paper audit trail was introduced. So there were many politicians, because they lost the election, they were saying that there were people who were voting for our party but the vote was given to somebody else, vote was counted for somebody else. So therefore we need to have a system so that the person who is voting, he should know or she should know that if I'm voting for, let's say, party A, my vote is given to party A. If I'm voting for party B, my vote is going to party C, and the same goes for C, D, E, F onwards. ठीक है, that's why this VVPAT, this third device was introduced recently, and as per this device, if you vote for A, there will be a small device, a small glass panel will be there you will be able to see, because a slip, a hard copy slip will be there, you'll be able to see that if you press a button next to B, the slip will show ki okay, this is the candidate name, symbol will be there, and a serial number will be there on that slip. The slip will be shown to you for 7 seconds, and then this slip will automatically cut, and then it will be placed in a box automatically. This entire process is automated. So why this slip is created? So that you could see that I press the button just next to B, and my vote is also given to B. Someone who is pressing the button just next to C, it will show that the vote is also given to C. Okay, and now we have the hard copies also as a backup, that if there is a requirement to count the votes, we can count these slips too. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या इंट्रोड्यूस किए गए, वीवीपैट को इंट्रोड्यूस किया, वोटर वेरीफाइबल पेपर ऑडिट ट्रेल को इंट्रोड्यूस किया. ठीक है, देन वी हैव द वर्किंग मैकेनिज्म. वोटिंग प्रोसेस कैसा है ये मैंने भी आपको बता दिया है. वोटर प्रेस अ बटन ऑन द बैलेट यूनिट. सिक्योरिटी फीचर क्या है, ईवीएम्स आर डिजाइन विद मल्टीपल सिक्योरिटी फीचर्स. Is it tamper proof? Yes, it is tamper proof. Can it be hacked? It cannot be hacked, even though there have been many accusations for the same, because it does not have any Wi-Fi port, it does not have any Bluetooth port, and therefore they are saying that it cannot be hacked, it cannot be tampered with. Many challenges are also given by Election Commission of India that if you think or if you know that it can be hacked, so please come and try to hack it. ठीक है, at the end of the voting process, control unit जो होती है, means the unit that is managed by the polling officer, that is taken to a central counting location where votes are tallied. That's why you will see, just like आपका prelims का जो exam होता है, after the prelims exam you get the results in few days. बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है, but mains का result आने में time लगता है. क्यों? Because here machines they are able to calculate the marks. OMR कैसे होता है? देखो, even though 5 lakh people appear for prelims examination, but only 10,000 people appear for the mains examination. But still, you will see that the prelims results come before, or you can see it takes less time in coming out with the prelims result as compared to the mains result, because this entire process is automated. ठीक है, machine check करती है, machine gives you the marks, therefore it takes less time. Similarly, now the control unit is used to count the number of votes, and therefore it takes less time. और जैसे इस बार भी आपको on 4th of June, if I'm not wrong, you will get the result. ठीक है, वो कैसे होगा, इसी वजह से. इफ मैनुअल काउंटिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड, देन इट इज गोइंग टू टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. स्पीड एंड एफिशिएंसी, नाउ दिस इज द एडवांटेज, मैंने अभी ये एक्सप्लेन किया. ठीक है, मोर ओवर रिडक्शन इन इनवैलिड वोट्स. ये कैसे, देखो पहले क्या होता था, बैलेट पेपर विल बी देयर, पार्टी ए, पार्टी बी, पार्टी सी. सो स्टैंप लगाने की जगह देयर इज अ स्पेस सो दैट यू कुड पुट द स्टैंप. सो इफ समबडी पुट द स्टैंप हियर, so we don't know whether the vote is given to party A or party B. If the stamp is given here, we don't know whether the vote is given to party B or party C, and therefore that particular vote will be rejected. Take a lot of rejection used to happen, but now it is the button system. Either you will press button A or button B or button C. It is very easy, and therefore rejection does not happen. ठीक है, cost effectiveness is there because you are saving a lot of paper. जैसे मैं आज आपको कहूँ, you are buying a book in PDF and you are buying a book in hard copy. Usually you will find Kindle books are comparatively cheaper. ठीक है, the reason is because you don't need to waste resources there. You are able to save the trees, you are able to save the paper. So यहाँ पे environment benefits is also there because paper आप बचा पा रहे हैं. ठीक है, now security concerns की बात करते हैं. So security concerns में despite multiple security features, there are ongoing concerns about potential for hacking and tampering. जैसे बातें सुनने को मिलती हैं. And allegations of malfunctioning, that is also there. However, so far जो concrete proof है वो कहीं पर नहीं मिला है that they are being hacked or they are being tampered. ठीक है, लीगल एंड टेक्निकल स्क्रूटनी की भी बात हुई है. ईवीएम्स हैव फेस्ड लीगल चैलेंजेस एंड टेक्निकल स्क्रूटनी विद सम पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज एंड एक्टिविस्ट. दे डिमांड रिटर्न ऑफ द बैलेट पेपर, बट दैट इज इम्पॉसिबल. द रीजन इज बिकॉज वी हैव अ वेरी बिग पॉपुलेशन. कंडक्टिंग एन इलेक्शन नाउ विद द बैलेट पेपर विल बी वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. ठीक है, नाउ रीसेंट डेवलपमेंट की बात करते हैं. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, बिकॉज मेनी पार्टीज और यू कैन से सम ऑफ द फेलियर्स वर सेइंग कि वी नीड टू गो बैक टू बैलेट पेपर. So यहाँ पे कोर्ट ऑल्सो सेड कि it is not going to be possible, but yes, you have a concern, जो कि ठीक है. अगर आपको लगता है कि somebody is pressing button A but the vote is going to party C, then let's introduce VVPAT. इससे क्या होगा, whatever button that you're pressing, we are generating a slip for the same, and therefore you can see that if I'm voting for party A, the vote is going to be given to party A only. ठीक है, therefore we are trying to improve the security measures here as well, right? इसके अलावा यहाँ पर EVMs की बात करते हैं. ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि जब हम ईवीएम्स को देखते हैं, सो लॉट ऑफ चेंजेस विल बी इंट्रोड्यूस इन दिस. जनरल इलेक्शन 2019 में तो इन्होंने कहा कि 900 मिलियन एलिजिबल वोटर्स वर देयर. नाउ इमेजिन इफ यू वांट टू इंट्रोड्यूस बैलेट पेपर, इट विल बी वेरी वेरी एक्सट्रीमली डिफिकल्ट to basically allow people to cast votes on these 900 ballot papers. It will be very difficult. ठीक है. Moreover, when it comes to tempering the allegations, here also we are like demonstrating in open. Technical experts are also there that if you think it can be tempered with, if you think it can be hacked, please come and try to talk to our experts. ये सब चीज़ें भी हम यहाँ पे करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, राइट. फ्यूचर की बात करते हैं. ये एक अच्छी चीज़ मुझे लगी. फ्यूचर में कहा जा रहा है कि वी आर गोइंग टू attach the biometrics with the same, because right now what happens, you go to the polling booth and you want to vote. ठीक है, you have to show your electoral ID and then you go to the then you enter into the room and then you cast your vote. What if you have the integrated feature where you can give your fingerprint, because fingerprint से क्या होता है, you are uniquely identified, you press on that button, you are uniquely identified and then the system recognizes you that yes, you are supposed to vote here at this location, and then whatever or to whomsoever you want to vote for, there you can press the button and the vote will be counted. So they are saying that in future the chances are likely that we are going to integrate this feature. In future we are going to integrate this feature of biometrics with this. At the same time, some people are also saying that blockchain technology can also be introduced in the same, because we know that in the blockchain technology editing is not possible. ठीक है. सो वेरिफिकेशन बिकम्स ईजी एंड द एडिटिंग इज समथिंग विच इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. ये सब चीज़ें जो है फ्यूचर के लिए हम यहाँ पर सोच रहे हैं इनके लिए. ठीक है.